Okay, being brought up to our room. It's a beachfront junior suite here at Belle Mare Plage Resort, near the main buildings, which are just beyond the pool there, a lovely pool area. And here we are, we're in room 414. Like I said, it's a beachfront junior suite. We're upstairs, and come on in and show you around. Lovely shower and bathroom area. Here's in our sinks and a nice decent sized luggage storage area. We've got our cases, golf clubs, everything easily in there. And down into the room itself, all the tea and coffee making facilities, a couple of swans, and nice seating area inside. And then the piece de resistance is obviously coming out and having a lovely veranda area here with lovely comfy seating in the shade. Lovely time of year now in October where we're getting this beautiful breeze. It's nice and warm, but you're not sweltering. And as you can see, you've got the beautiful beach right in front of us. Belle Mare stretches as far as you can see up there. This is the hotel's beach, right down to the far point. Really beautiful beach. Boathouse is just off to our left, and the jetty area, do your water skiing, everything else. A bit breezy here today, but like I said, really lovely, comfortable breeze. I'd say on the golf course it might be a bit more challenging, but beautifully done, the rooms. And they've also just completely refurbished the prestige rooms, and hopefully get down there if any are available and have a look at them. I was talking to somebody who's just been staying in one, Jacques, our pro, who's out here with a group at the moment, and he said absolutely amazing rooms, what they've done with it. Bit smaller than these, but he said just perfectly ideal. So I'll hopefully get some video of that for you. All the best.